Alright, over here at the new garage, just picked me up a Junkyard engine. This is an Explorer / Mountaineer engine. This one actually coming out of a Mountaineer. And I didn't bring my cam park, so using a good old trusty cell phone here to take some footage. It's all crappy rainy anyways. So what I got is a flood engine. So this is an opportunity for me to show y'all how to do a teardown on an engine. Of course, it's got some goodies out there. It looks like that manifold. Might be able to salvage that throttle body. Of course, the heads, you know, and it's a 302 block, so always salvage that. Alright, well, I need to get the old 360 out of the way and get the cherry picker out, get this on the ground, and I'll have to go pick me up an engine stand. Alright, so I hooked up to the engine mount right there with just a through bolt. Make sure you run a nut all the way up on there. I got a block right where I think it would be hitting the manifold, because that's kind of a precious item right there. Coming around, I don't really care too much about that elbow. I just want to make sure I don't get some weird pinch twist point right there. So I'll lift her up, see what we get with this. The shaky. See if I can steady my hand up and see I'm jacking up at the same time. Okay, just for y'all, that way it's not just me jacking this goofy thing up, and you may be watching. Yeah, I see that board didn't work very well. What this is the Explorer Mountaineer 5.0 push-rod engine, and what it has that's very, very nice is this GT40P or Explorer upper intake manifold. That's the one that has the little circles in it. That and these heads, I think, get you pretty good chunk of rear wheel horsepower just bolting them on. And these are the P heads. You can see, you know, they got the angle boots in there, right? For the headers. I don't have the bracket off, or else I'd show you. I think they have 4 bars on. Yeah, there it is. There it is. If you look right there, 4 bar. So these are GT40P heads. So that's a pretty sought after piece. Now I'm going to have to come through and clean this thing up real good, because I'm in the Fort Smith area, and if y'all look up 2019 Fort Smith flooding or anything like that, how much the Arkansas River flooded, this right here come out of a junkyard on the Oklahoma side, and it was probably at least 10 to 16 foot underwater. This vehicle and engine was for a few days. So nothing to fret about there. I don't care about any of the electronics. I'm just going to tear it down, clean it up. It's metal, it doesn't matter. So I'll show y'all how to do that and what it looks like on the inside. So that'll be a cool little experiment. So, well, unfortunately, it's not going to take itself out. Oh, hold on. Can I clap my hands like I did on my strut? Oh, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. Hop out. Come on, come on. Good boy, Fluffy. Good boy, good boy. Yeah. See, this is going to be a good engine already. Unloaded itself.